Hello everyone, so for today's video, I'll be showing you how we went through the process of our project, which is the mango tree planting. But before anything else, one must be in a proper attire for safety precautions. Proper attire includes hat, sleeves, pants, closed shoes, and gloves. Once all materials are ready, first look for an open space that will allow the plants to grow. After which, weeding and clearing of unwanted plants is a very important initial process of this project because it removes any plant that might compete with our seedling for space, nutrients, and water. Hence, the removal of these unwanted plants provides an ample amount of nutrients and water to our seedling. Next is digging. Since Indian mango trees can grow up to 15 to 18 meters, it is important to consider the spacing in between the seedlings. The group estimated a total of 18 steps, which is approximately a 15-meter gap in between. Use a shovel to dig a hole afterwards and gather the dug soil all in one area. The depth of the hole is approximately 0.3 meters, which is knee-deep of an average person. When the hole has been dug, it is now time to put the fertilizer. We used 2 kilograms of vermicast for this project. It is an organic fertilizer which contains myriad nutrients that help the soil to absorb and retain its moisture. Vermicast is rich in phosphorus, potassium, and nitrogen, all of which are important for the plant's health. When the fertilizer has been put, the seedling is now ready for transfer. Carry the grafted seedling and carry it out its sac while carefully placing it inside a hole. Hold the seedling in place while backfilling the excavated soil mentioned earlier into the hole. Afterwards, be sure that the seedling is in place by assuring that the soil is intact within the hole. Halfway through the backfilling process, the plant is already properly situated in the hole. Watering at this point will reduce large air pockets and help stabilize the plant while you perform the remaining steps. Pour 9 liters of water to the soil. And now, the final backfilling process begins. Backfill the remaining soil until the soil becomes leveled. Once the soil is leveled, gather and place rocks around the planting site to serve as a barrier, distinguishing the seedlings amongst other plants in the field. Next is staking. Driving upright stakes into the ground and fastening plants to them by using plant ties provides strength and support to the plant. They permit plants to continue pushing skyward when they'd otherwise be overcome by rain or strong winds. After that, collect the yard waste and place them on top of the soil. This maintains the moistness of the soil. And then pour another 9 liters of water. And then finally, it is recommended to place the shrubs that have been removed around the seedling in order to decrease the evaporation rate of the water from it. This may also act as a supplementary material for aesthetic purposes. And now, after doing all that, don't forget to rehydrate your plant. And that's it!